Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. In today's video, we will discuss how to set up Reagle WiFi Repeater using the WPS push button. This is the easiest method to set up the TP-Link extender within 2 minutes without any username or password. If you're looking for the best extender that gives you the perfect Wi-Fi range coverage, then this video is specially made up for you. Whether you're setting it up for the first time or reconfiguring it, this guide makes the process quick and hassle-free. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. I hope in the end, this video will prove helpful. In the beginning, insert your Reagle repeater into a power socket near your router. Wait for the power LED to turn solid, usually 20 to 30 seconds. Find the WPS button on your router, usually on the back or side. It may be labeled WPS or shown with this symbol, circle. Make sure your router's Wi-Fi is turned on. Press the WPS button on the router. Press and hold the router's WPS button for 2 to 3 seconds. The router's WPS light will start blinking, meaning it is searching for a device to connect. Important note, you now have about 2 minutes to press WPS on the extender. Within 2 minutes, press the WPS button on the repeater. The repeater LED will start blinking. Wait 1 to 2 minutes. Once connected, LED becomes solid. Signal/Wi-Fi indicator lights turn on. On your phone or laptop, check Wi-Fi networks. You'll see a new network like your Wi-Fi name _ext or same name as your router. Connect using the same password as your main Wi-Fi. After setup, unplug the repeater. Place it midway between router and weak signal area. Wait for solid green or blue light. This means setup is successfully complete. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.